Have you ever encountered dark spots that hinder information display? Do you know why they are distributed in a certain pattern on LED walls? It is very likely caused by metal dust, as modules in many cases are magnetically attached to the LED display units. Metal dust in the air will over time be adhered to the modules to form dark or black spots that are distributed in the pattern of the module magnets. In some indoor or semi-outdoor scenarios like subway platforms and train stations where wheel and track rubs drastically, countless metallic dust is easily produced. Metallic dust, besides degrading viewing experience, can also lead to pixel failures of different kinds. So, how to solve the small dark spots on LED walls? LianTronics' self-developed dust shield technology employs special materials and unique processing and panel assembly methods to effectively shield and eliminate the magnetic force on the display surface. Compared with unprocessed LED screens with as high magnetic force as 50 Gauss, LED screens processed with dust shield are only 1 Gauss. Except for transportation hubs, LianTronics' dust shield technology can also be applied in retail stores, shopping malls, etc., to provide an effective solution to the problem of metal dust adhering to LED displays.